Welcome to our tutorial of ProfLearn YouTube channel. In this particular video, we are going to have a discussion on how to solve differential equations. And if you are new to ProfLearn YouTube channel, consider subscribing so that anytime I'm going to upload another tutorial, you'll be notified. And also you can be able to join our Patreon page so that you can be able to download PDFs involving different discussion in this tutorial. So here we are going to have a discussion on how to find the general solution of a differential equation, and the part that we're going to do is how to solve question to do first order differential equation. Now suppose we're given the equation dy dx plus 8y is equals to this part. So this is the first order differential equation, and the first thing that we're going to do here is to find, given that if your answer in the form that we are asked, so which means that we're going to say the first thing that we're going to do is to find the integrating factor. So in order to find the integrating factor, we're going to use the formula integration factor is equals to e raised to power integral of p with respect to x, and our p in this case is going to be 8y. So our p is going to be 8, and that's going to be, this is going to be what? This going, in order to find the integrating factor, we're going to say this is e integrating 8 with respect to x, and this is going to become integrating 8, we're going to get 8x. So which means that we're going now to multiply each and every term by the integrating factor, which is e is to 8x. Multiplying all through, we're going to get e is to 8x dy dx plus e is to 8x times 8y, and then this part, if we multiply, for e is to negative 6x times e is to 8x. Remember exponents, when you have the same basis, you add the powers. So if we say 8x plus negative 6x, we're going to get positive 2x. And then now once we have done that, we are going to express the left hand side as a product of two terms. If you can be able to find the differentiation of y is to 8x, if you differentiate this using product rule, we are going to get e is to 8x dy dx plus e is to 8y is to 8x, like that. So meaning that in this part also, if we integrate both sides, if we are going to integrate, let me just move this way a little bit, and if we integrate both sides, the differentiation of dx disappears. And if let me just move this a little bit so that we can be able to move it. Integrating both cases, we're going to cancel dx, and we're going to have y is to e is to 8x is equals to, differentiating the top, because if you're having an exponent and you want to differentiate that, if you have the exponent and you want to integrate that, you are going to differentiate the power of the exponent. If you differentiate the power here, we're going to get 2. Then we're going to say 4 over 2 now, and that's going to be 4 over 2 plus c. And then we can be able to simplify this part that we have, so that we can have y equals to e is to 8x, 2e is to 2x plus c. Then we divide all through by 8, e is to 8x, so that we can be able to simplify this. We're going to have y is equals to 2e is to negative 6x plus c is to negative 8x. So that is exactly what we're going to have, and now this becomes the solution of the differential equation that we were having here, which is the first order differential equation. If you found value from this video, consider subscribing so that anytime I'm going to upload another tutorial, you'll be notified. See you in the next video.